Hello everyone, we're back with a heavily requested video. We're comparing the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution PET to the Hoover Dual Power Max PET carpet cleaners. We have some stains here that have been dried into this carpet. We have red wine, soy sauce, chocolate sauce, and ketchup. 4 common stains from the household. They're all completely dried into the carpet fibers. They were put in front of a fan, so they are completely dry. So let's begin the filling process with the machine. So now we're back at the sink. Let's begin filling the tanks. Let's start with the Bissell Revolution. We're gonna get the hottest water. This may take a while, so I'll probably have to pause the video. All right, so now that the water is hot, let's begin filling with water. Fill to the fill lines with hot tap water. Hot tap water filled. Time for the Hoover Dual Power. Same deal to the 1 gallon mark. Then we'll apply the solution. Enable the speed mode. One max line. Nope, not quite. Max line is now hit, so let's fill the solution. All right, so now we're going to be filling the tank with 1 capful of Hoover Clean Plus 2X carpet cleaning detergent. That is 1 capful of detergent. Give the tank a thorough shake to make sure that all that carpet cleaning detergent is mixed in with the water correctly. Now we're here with the Bissell. We're using the same detergent and same amount. Both tanks are filled to their 1 gallon mark. One full capful of detergent. I'm using this particular detergent because it's a frequently used detergent on Amazon. It has like 2,000 customer reviews and has a high rating for its stain removal power. So let's get to the cleaning. So now we're going to begin the cleaning process. We have the Hoover on that side and the Bissell on that side. So we're going to see how well these machines work at cleaning up these heavy stains. Give me just a second to put the tanks in. All right, the stains have not been pre-sprayed with any stain removers or detergents or anything. We're just relying on the machines themselves. So we're going to start off with the Hoover Dual Power Max. So you can see the results with the Hoover, the wine stain, and the soy sauce stain have been pretty well removed. It's made a pretty big dent on the ketchup, so let's do the Bissell. Alright, now let's do the Bissell Revolution Pet. Hoover out of the way to make this a little easier. Done with the Bissell Revolution. Alright, so you can see the results between the two machines. Let's check them out. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's start with the Hoover. So you can clearly see it's made a pretty big dent in the ketchup. It hasn't done that much to the chocolate. It's done a pretty good job on the soy sauce. And it's removed most of the wine stain. But the one thing I noticed is that the Hoover kind of just took the stains and kind of just smeared them all over the carpet. While with the Bissell, it's done that right. It's done a better job on the ketchup. It's removed more of the chocolate stain. The soy sauce stain has basically disappeared. You can see it here, and you can barely see it there. And the wine stain has also disappeared a little bit more, and it only took a little bit with it. It didn't smear the stains back like the Hoover did. So, after this cleaning, and these visible results, it looks like the Bissell Revolution Pet is the winner of this test. So let's see how many passes it's going to take with these machines until the stains are removed. Alright, so let's see what a Bissell stain remover can do to these old set-in stains on this carpet. So here we go. Ketchup being removed. The red wine dried into the carpet. The chocolate. The stain remover is instantly reacting with the stains. Let's see what the Hoover's Mist chocolate sauce is capable. See if the Bissell is capable. You can see how the solution is immediately breaking down the stain. Let's check about the ketchup, because I want to be able to use this rug in more videos in the future. So I want to make sure that the rug is clean. The wine stain that has not been removed by the Hoover. And you can see all the stains have been removed. I'm not sure. No, that's not a stain. I don't even know where the stains were anymore, actually. But the carpet is a little damp. It will dry soon, though. So I really hope you enjoyed this video with the Bissell Revolution Pet and the Hoover Dual Power Max. The clear winner is the Bissell Revolution Pet. Did a good job. So really hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time. Goodbye.